As we begin our unit on insects, the first book I usually read is Have You Seen Bugs? And it's by Joanne Oppenheim. Have you seen bugs? You can see a lot of them on this page. Itty bitty bugs, small as specks of sand, wide winged bugs, bigger than your hand. Bugs with stripes or speckles or spots, shiny like metal or covered with dots. Iridescent bugs that shimmer in the light, winking, blinking bugs that twinkle in the night. Dark as bark, green as grass, see-through bugs with wings like glass. Shaped like thorns or sticks or leaves, burrowed in bubbles or clinging to trees. Hide and seek bugs. Can you see these? Now look closely because these bugs are an example of great camouflage. They look like leaves, they look like twigs. They fit right in with wherever they are. Watch out for these show-off bugs with colors bold and bright. Flashy, sassy, daring bugs, such easy bugs to sight. Like warning signs, bold markings say, I'm poison, I smell, I sting, stay away. Just like the rainforest frogs. If something is brightly colored, chances are it's a warning to stay away because it may be poisonous. Have you seen bugs and how they move? Long-legged bugs jumping with a bound, short-legged bugs running on the ground. Some are fast, they dart and leap. Some are slow, they crawl and creep. Bugs that flutter and scurry and dive, bugs that buzz around a hive. Walking on the ceiling, crawling up a wall, some bugs hardly move at all. What about water bugs? Walking on the water bugs, swimming underwater bugs, skimming over water bugs. Oaring, soaring, whirling, twirling, striding, gliding. Have you seen these? Have you heard bugs? Bugs have no voices, but still they can sing, rubbing their legs, whirring their wings. Busy crickets in thickets wait for night to fall. Then they rub their legs together and chirp their mating call. These are crickets, just like I told you we had to buy for my son's gecko. And when you hear the crickets at night, when you're laying in bed waiting to fall asleep, that noise you're hearing is the noise they make when they rub their legs together. A bug has no ears on its little bug head, but some bugs hear through their legs instead, while others use antennae to taste and hear and smell, and tiny hairs that touch and tell and help them find their mates as well. Some bugs even use their feet to take a taste before they eat. So bugs might use their antennae to hear, to sense, to smell, And their feet, they walk on their food, and that tells them what their food tastes like. Have you seen bugs and how they eat? Beetles have mouths they can bite and chew and snip, while others, like the butterfly, have mouths with straws that sip. This long, long straw on the front of the butterfly is called a proboscis. Most bugs dine on plants, some bugs dine on meat. Others take a nip of blood or sip on nectar sweet. Now, I think we all know which one takes a nip of blood. I know we've all smacked our arms when we felt something in the summer, and that's the mosquito. And here we have some ladybugs, and I believe that's probably a butterfly and some type of fly or beetle. Have you seen baby bugs? Inside a hive or nesting in hair, bugs hatch from eggs everywhere. Underwater, underground, in so many places, bug eggs are found. In the bark of trees or wrapped up in leaves, baby bugs hatch from all of these. And some of you are thinking that must be a beehive. In this case, it might be, but you'll also find out that other insects, including the ant, has different cells where they lay their eggs. Baby bugs are small, but just for a bit. Little bugs keep growing till their skins don't fit, just like the reptile, the snake. But some bugs form a chrysalis or spin a fine cocoon where abracadabra they grow wide wings in a magical changing room. And that's the word we learned today, metamorphosis. Changing from a caterpillar to a butterfly. And first going into the pupa, which is the chrysalis. Burrowing, weaving, or building a nest, gathering, guarding, seldom at rest, working by day, working by night, spinning wondrous webs, or taking off in flight. Now, this book is including spiders as bugs. I like to think that spiders are not bugs, they are called arachnids. They only have 2 body parts and they have 8 legs, so they are not considered an insect. Sleek as a needle, furry as a bear, so many kinds of bugs living everywhere. An army of ants, a flurry of fleas, a band of moths, a swarm of bees, billions of bugs. Have you seen these?